Today marks the last day of our mall series here in the Philippines, and we are very excited to be going to the SM Mall of Asia.
Yeah, so it is the biggest mall here in the Philippines and one of the biggest malls actually in Asia. And we're most excited because at nighttime we've heard that it lights up. There's actually a Ferris wheel and it's by the water. So we've kind of postponed this day and we're starting a little bit later than normal.
Yeah, and aside from the fact that it's on the ocean and that it has a Ferris wheel, we actually know very, very little about this mall. We tend not to do our research before we go in, so we could be a little bit excited when we do stumble upon the cool things it does have. So we're pretty excited. We have a half-hour drive ahead of us, so we're gonna get going.
Yeah, let's go.
We're just arriving and we may be well in over our heads. This place is enormous. We're also getting here at 2 p.m.
I think this is the biggest mall we've ever been to.
Yeah, I'd have to say so. It feels like we're walking into a theme park.
Or like another village. This is crazy.
It's insane, but we're gonna get going here per usual. I think we're gonna grab some food.
Yeah.
So let's get it going.
Going up to level 3 to check out the food court. Not much for vegetarians here in the food court, so I landed on pizzulu. I got myself a mozzarella and garlic pizza, and I believe Logan got himself some type of like meatball gravy rice dish. So we'll see how it is. Alright. The crust feels good. Very garlicky, which I absolutely love garlic, so this is a good pizza.
So I kind of went rogue and got meatballs with gravy and rosemary over rice. It doesn't look bad. I was just wanting something like super hearty, but anyway, let's try it out. Really not bad. That is really good. I'm gonna destroy this. That is so good. We just wrapped up with our food. It was absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
Abby is awestruck by this giant tree behind us. We were standing here and literally she said this would probably look amazing during Christmas because of all these lights, and then it lit up right in front of us.
They're testing it out right now, so it's so absolutely cool. Crazy. But I think we're gonna go adventure on the mall. I have no idea where to start here, but I do know that we're gonna be on the hunt for some coffee.
Yeah, this is daunting. We are at the top floor, so instead of starting from the bottom like we usually do, I think we just might start up here. I'm already seeing a million cool things around us, so let's get into it.
This mall is so big. It has a skating rink. It even has an archery thing here behind me. I don't even know what else we have in store at this mall. It's crazy. Has everything. Water bottles, lip gloss, glasses, sunglasses, anything and everything.
inches to centimeters because I don't know what my waist is here. Fitting room. Okay, so 0 for 5 on trying on pants. I really need a black pair of pants and I really need a new white pair of pants. Gave Uniqlo a try and nothing quite hit. Everything was a near miss. So I think we're gonna give up on Uniqlo for the day. Might check out some other similar stores like H&M, or maybe they have an Urban Revivo here.
Logan may be giving up, but I'm not. I'm still gonna look for dresses here. Oh, okay. There's a downstairs level to this store because this whole upstairs level is only for men. So we have to go downstairs to go for the women. So let's finish the top floor and then we'll go downstairs to the next Uniqlo. I've seen them everywhere, like all over, everywhere we've gone. I'm actually really liking it. It really actually reminds me a lot of Uniqlo.
So even though I got a notebook yesterday, I got another one today. It was only $2 at Muji, so thought might as well. Now Abby sees some shoes, so we're gonna do some shoe shopping.
Really soft. I kind of want to try these on. I really like those sandals. The base of them were actually so soft so they'd be perfect to walk in. They were just a little bit out of my price range for what I want to spend on a pair of sandals. They were about $50 US. Heading down to the second level, we did a lot of shopping, or a lot of like just window shopping and trying on the first floor, but let's see what the second floor has to offer. Alright, movie theater is on the second level on this mall, not the top level.
Yeah, so the top floor is not that large. As soon as we come down to the second floor, it opens way up. There are a million stores. I don't know what side of the mall we're on right now, but we're going to be walking around for a very long time today. Trying some black pants at a different store now. Not bad. Another fail. The 33s were too tight and the 34s were too big.
Back at Logan's Obsession.
Abby took over and now she's shopping.
Successfully got a dress at Urban Revivo. It's my first item at Logan's favorite store now. But I believe that this level 2 seems like more of like the fast fashion because there's like Forever 21, Zara, H&M, Urban Revivo. So we're gonna go check it out and see what else they actually have.
All right, we got a winner. We'll leave it up to H&M to have the type of jean that I like for only I think 1,000 Filipino peso, which is like $10, $15. Not bad. Okay, $17.
That I absolutely love. It is so cute.
I think we're about halfway through this mall. We are about done with the second level and then we're going down to level 1.
I do like that black dress. So it seems like the first floor restaurants, a lot of food, a lot of westernized food here actually also, like Dairy Queen, Panda Express, KFC. I even saw Taco Bell outside. So we're gonna go check out, I think, outside now because I think we're wrapping up inside. It's taken forever to get through this mall though. I am such a child because we found a Disney store and we're going inside. That mall over there says Entertainment Mall. What does that mean?
Oh god. We made it outside. It is very beautiful out here. There's lights hanging, already decorated for Christmas because they love Christmas here in the Philippines. We are now looking for the Bay, where we heard they have a really cool Ferris wheel. So we're gonna go try to check that out.
I see it! So we are going to go on the eye here. We got the VIP ticket, which was around 250, yeah, 250 pesos. And it is because it has a glass floor. Otherwise, it's around 200 pesos, which is not bad at all. I'm super excited, but a little nervous because it goes up super high. This is so nice. It's such a great break from the heat too because there's AC in here.
There was also zero wait to get on here. The VIP line is much shorter. If there was a line, there wasn't. So we got right on. They took a photo of us. We're just now starting. It is a glass floor, which will be really cool once we're at the top.
Nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. That was a lot of fun, honestly. It was super nice and relaxing, but I'm starving, so I think we're gonna go grab some dinner here. So we're having a lot of trouble finding a lot of vegetarian food here. We even checked the Happy Cow app and there's not a lot documented here. So actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs. I saw Taco Bell and Taco Bell is always a safe bet for vegetarians. So that's where we're gonna go, sadly. Stupid as it is, I actually do love Taco Bell a lot because it is consistently a great place for vegetarians and I actually found it. I lost hope because we've been searching for a very long time, but we found it. This is the first Taco Bell that I've ever been to that you can't sub beans. They actually don't have beans here. So I just got myself a cheese quesadilla, a soft potato taco, and I'm gonna get food when I get home, I guess.
It has been a very long day. The Mall of Asia took it out of us. It is a huge mall. Yeah,
this is definitely the biggest mall we've ever been to, and I don't even think we went to every wing of this mall that we could have reached.
No, I don't know how you'd possibly do this in a single day. We've been here for probably close to 8 hours.
I think so.
But as nice as this mall is, and it does have a lot, I do think I like the Greenbelt malls better. It's just all around better for shopping, and I don't know, it just has a special charm to it. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it on our mall series. If you have a chance, please go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And until next week.
Yeah.
See ya.